What makes popcorn pop? Have you ever wondered why popcorn pops? Inside each popcorn kernel, there is a tiny drop of water. When the kernel is heated, the water turns into steam, and the pressure builds up inside. When it gets too hot, the kernel explodes and turns into a fluffy piece of popcorn. This is why popcorn is made from a special type of corn that has the right amount of water inside. The next time you eat popcorn, remember it's science in action.
If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and share with your friends.